Hello, good morning everyone. So today I am here to explain you the next poem, that is How to Tell Wild Animals, written by Caroline Wells. Let's move to the summary of this poem. The poem opens with the description of an Asian lion. So, in this poem, it is told about the different wild animals. First, we are talking about the Asian lion. The poet remarks that if a person happens to visit the eastern part of the globe and goes to the forest, he can identify an Asian lion by its large size and dull and brownish color. So, what is the poet telling? That if any person goes in the eastern part of the globe and when he goes to the forest that is in the eastern part, there he is able to see the Asian lion. And how he can identify that lion? This lion is having the large size and it is having dull and brownish color. Moreover, its loud roar which frightens a person to death is another distinguishing feature of the Asian lion. So what is he telling? That moreover, the loud roar, the loud cry of this animal, when he cries out, he is able to frighten the people and the person is easily going to be dead. So this is what makes it different. A tiger, on the other hand, can be known by the distinct black stripes on its yellow body. Now, what is the another animal? That is tiger. And how we can identify the tiger is it is having the black stripes, means black color lines on the yellow colored body, adding humor to the description. Now, the poet is adding the kind of the thing that make us happy. The poet states that if the beast eats the visitor, he can know that it is a Bengal tiger. If any visitor is coming and this tiger he attacks out on that visitor, the visitor is easily able to know that it is a Bengal tiger. If one comes across a beast with a spotted body with a salt and pepper pattern, who is ready to pounce upon the visitor, he can know that the beast is a leopard. And so, what is the poet telling about the next animal? That is leopard. What is he telling? That if any person comes over there to see this animal and ultimately this animal it jumps out upon that visitor and it is having a body that is of salt and pepper pattern, then the person is able to identify that this is leopard. Even if the visitor when attacked cries with pain, and the visitor whoever comes to visit, when this animal is attacking that visitor, he cries very painfully, then the leopard will continue to attack him again and again. It does not leave the person. A bear is known for the tight hug which may strangle a person to death. Now, bear, what is it known for? Bear holds a person very tightly when a person comes to him. Ultimately, the person die out. Therefore, if a person meets a wild creature which gives him a tight, friendly hug, he can be sure that the animal is a bear. So, if a person is coming to see any wild animal and that wild animal is giving a tight, friendly hug, the person can identify that that animal is a bear. If the person continues wondering who the animal is, he is likely to get another strong embarrass from the bear. And if the person is still not able to identify that which animal it is, then the person is still means embarrassed, or the animal is still giving it hug again and again. Distinguishing between hyena and crocodile. Now, what is the difference between hyena and crocodile? The poet informs the people who are novice in this sphere that hyena is having smiling face and crocodile sheds false but profuse tear. Hyena is always having a smiling face, whereas a crocodile it is throwing out the tears. Describing a chameleon, the poet remarks that it is a small creature resembling the lizard. Chameleon is same as the lizard is over there. It has neither ears nor wings of any kind. It is not having ears also, not having wings also, because it can camouflage and mingle with the surrounding, and it can change its color and it can mix up with the surrounding. The poet remarks in a witty paradox that if a person finds nothing on a tree, he can be certain that there is a chameleon. And if a person is not able to see anything on the tree, the person will be able to know that there is a chameleon. Caroline Well in the way portrays certain distinctive features of some animals found in the forest. So these are all the features about different animals that the poet has found out. The poem has educative as well as entertaining significance. So this poem is very educative also, and it is entertaining poem also. Hope you understood. Thank you.